Okay, so the first one we're going to do is a running stitch, and basically that is a dotted line. You'll see I came up through the back here and pulled through maybe less than a quarter of an inch, and then I'm going to go the same distance apart, come back up. And what you're going to want to do, and that's why I had to pause the video, is because I didn't have my hand underneath to guide the thread. And make sure there were no knots that would happen. So you got to take it a little slow and easy. And then I'm going to come back over the top. If you have a thread that is too long, it causes more issues. So start with maybe, I don't know, like 1.5 feet of thread when you're first starting out. Because that will help with the headaches, reducing the headaches. Okay, so that's a running stitch, is basically a dotted line. It's very, very simple.